Today I was doing just a quick video here on these Wahl electric trimmers. If you have a Wahl electric trimmer, either cordless or corded, this is something you may need to know. So I have a Wahl here, which I'm a big fan of their brand. I love their quality. I use the corded one. I like that much better for me personally, but I do use the cordless sideburn trimmer and beard trimmer as well. So these are the two things that I do use. Now it always comes with this little container of a little bit of oil. And then once this runs out, most people don't replace it. And you have to, because what happens, it keeps the friction down so you get a better cut. So I ordered it online, got it in a couple of days, a big container of this Wahl hair clipping oil base. You definitely need this every time you trim your hair. It's very important. Keeps the friction down. You get a better cut out of it. That's so important. So this is how I got it. I got it in a day or two. You open this up. So how you use it is it comes sealed. You take off this cap part here, which is I did. It has a foil seal on top right here, and I just use this part to puncture a hole in it, just like that. And you can make it as big as you want. I made mine a little bit small, and then I just turn this back on. It's in the opening, and now it can also seal it when I'm done with this cap here. So what you want to do is just put a few drops on each side. I'll demonstrate for you. Just on the side, it comes out here. You can just see a little bit of oil right there. Comes right out. I'll get a close up so you can see a little better, hopefully. A little bit of oil over here. Let it just drip through the channel, and then you put it on and let it run through. And it's just so much quieter. I don't know if you can hear that, but man, that is so much better. And then you can just go up and down with it just to get that blade. If you get a close-up of focus in this, you can just see how you just let the oil in there. This hasn't been oiled in a while, so we'll give it a little bit more oil. And that's so important to do every time you cut your hair with these trimmers. So if you're a barber, professional, or just a home novice, you definitely need something like that. Okay, put that in there. And it's just so much better, and it's much, much quieter. And same thing with the side clippers. These little side clippers, you also put them in here as well, because they do the exact same thing. You want to make sure that gets in there. Put it on that side. Put it on that side. Let it just drip through the channel. And then you can hear it's actually much quicker. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you. Very easy to do. Super easy. Definitely going to recommend this hair oil, clipping oil. You have to have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me for more videos just like this. Hope it brought you some value. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.